Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'll be showing you how I decorated my front entrance, and I'll be doing some very easy, simple DIYs using Dollar Tree products, and let's get started. I also wanted to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I finally made it to 1,000 subscribers, and for that I will be doing an Amazon gift card giveaway of $50. So these are going to be the rules in order to enter the giveaway, and it will be ending next Monday. So just follow the rules and good luck. I'll be doing my very first collab video with DIY Momma. She is also doing a fall outdoor decor video. So if you enjoy watching my channel, you should totally subscribe to hers because we do have very similar tastes and you will not regret it. She does very beautiful budget-friendly DIYs, and let her know that I send you. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you. By the way, a lot of the things I already had from last year, or I just got from Dollar Tree, Goodwill, Burlington, Marshalls, since those are my favorite places to go for home decor. All I'm missing is my fall wreath, but I won't be doing it till in my next video, so that way I can announce the lucky winner. So stay tuned. Also, don't forget to check out DIY Momma. Let her know that I send you. Subscribe. Trust me, you will not regret it. Thank you all for watching, and have a blessed day.